Let's take a captivating journey through the milestones and achievements we have unlocked over the past year. Life insurance. 8,845 crore life insurance premium mobilized in financial year 22-23, which is higher than 20 of the 23 life insurers' annual premium mobilization with 78% traditional business. Our March 23 persistency is 87.82%. HDFC Bank and all three insurers achieved their all-time high persistency in March 23. PASA, pre-approved sum assured enabler, contributed 1,076 crore life insurance business with 1.23 lakh NOPs. 300 crore life insurance mobilization through VRM channel, 322 crore through NR channel and 100 crore in COP channel in financial year 22-23. Post-inclusion of RPM team in virtual channel. More than 5.91 lakh families protected by insurance offerings during the financial year 22-23. Highest ever monthly premium mobilization of 1,505 crore in March 23, which is higher than annual mobilization of 12 of 23 life insurers. Around 1,100 staff qualified for MDRT main event and 6,598 staff qualified for MDRT day event, out of which around 500 staff are new joining. MDRT Global Company Rankings. HDFC Bank ranked globally at 7th position and only bank to feature amongst global top 10 rankings. In the month of BBH Inner Circle March 23, more than 6,000 staff are qualified pan-India. Total 8,544 claims settled with total amount of 768 crore in financial year 22-23. HDFC Bank is the market leader in bancassurance with #1 position in life insurance amongst all the private banks. During MD visit, Shashi Sir acknowledged efforts of TPP team on helping bank in controlling attrition and also motivating the teams via launching and executing MDRT objectives, MF SIPs. 11 lakh plus SIPs in financial year 22-23. With total value of 330 plus crore and ATS of 3,000, out of which 5 lakh SIPs did through online channel. HDFC Bank MF penetration increased by 10% from 2.1% to 2.33% in financial year 22-23. Current MF penetration is 2.41%, July 23. 5 regions contributed more than 1 lakh SIPs in financial year 22-23. MF lump sum. Total equity gross sales of 23,000 crore in financial year 22-23. HDFC Bank mutual funds AUM asset under management crossed 1 lakh crore, out of which 76,000 crore is in equity asset under management. Non-life insurance. 2,787 crore non-life insurance business. HDFC Bank is the market leader in bancassurance with #1 position in non-life insurance amongst private banks. Branch activated tele-assisted BATA BATA was launched for health business and total business generated through BATA is 16.71 crore. Year to date March 23. HDFC Ergo health insurance claims settlement ratio for financial year 2023 is 99%.